Bago po tayo magpaalam, Miss Annie, meron lang akong gustong i-announce na isang napakagandang palabas po this Saturday. Yan po ay produced po ng Rotary Club of Cubao West and it's a charity concert. At yan po ay ipapalabas po on Saturday at 6 p.m. And kasama po dyan si Joey G, yung pong dating member ng Side A Band, Cesar Montano, si Frenchie D, and of course, Miss Annie, extra po tayo dyan. Makikipag-duet po ako dun sa isang napakahusay na baritone na si Lawrence Hatayna. So Lawrence Hatayna, I will see you on Saturday. Huwag po kayong mawawala. Ito pong concert na ito ay para po sa mga PWDs at saka mga cancer patients. That's the title of the show is Rock for Charity. And this is going to be on October 14, Saturday at 6 p.m. Kung meron po kayong gustong bilhin na tickets, nandyan po sa 0917-579-7942. Huwag po niyong imimiss. Napakagandang concert and it's for a good cause.